Thinking about solar but unsure about the site survey? With some companies, it can feel like a sales visit. With Atma, it's not. Our site surveys are completely free and obligation free. There's no commitment required, just a clear way to verify your home and understand your options properly. It's an expert technician assessing your roof, taking measurements, and reviewing your electrical setup so everything is based on real data. In many cases, we can even complete this step without you being home. We can capture what we need with a drone or guide you on a few simple photos. No sales pitch, no pressure. This step is what makes your system accurate from design through to pricing. Without it, quotes are often based on assumptions, and that's where costs and expectations can shift later. With Atma, everything is verified up front, so your system is designed properly and your pricing reflects real conditions from the start. We do everything in-house, so this is about getting it right, not rushing you into a decision. Because when it's done properly, you know exactly what to expect. Your project runs smoothly, your system performs as designed, everything works the way it should, and you can enjoy the sunshine.